Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You already know me, and I came to you with my Boxycharm unboxing. What? This is shit. I'm not gonna hold you. This is shit. It was two variations that I could have gotten. My perfect variation with makeup with my skincare item that I chose because the bronzer wasn't deep enough for my skin complexion. So again, it's one item only I could choose. Like this month, I didn't know if the bronzer would be deep enough for me, so I chose lashes because I like lashes now. If I didn't have lashes, then I would have chose a bronzer that probably would be too light to me. Again, I really don't understand why they did the Vesca's bronzer for premium. I mean, I understand the reason why, but that's deep. I would have loved that. But yeah, so anyways, July. Boxycharm box. This is $24 a month plus tax, so it's equal like 27.50, close around to 28. This is like a lot of coin, and it hasn't been hitting. If next month, because I'm just gonna give this month up to the birthday curse. It's always a birthday curse every single year. I thought it was gonna be different this year, but it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. Always a birthday curse. Um, I just filmed my MC, so if you're seeing both same outfit, same hair, everything, filming everything in one day, today's a good day to film. So again, I'm just chalking up the birthday curse. If tomorrow, I mean not tomorrow, next month, next month Boxycharm isn't hitting it. I'm gonna try to use all my charm room points so I could just dip. Like that's the only thing that like keeps me there is the charm room points that I have. Like that's the only thing. That's the only thing because I want to dip so bad. I want to be like, no, deuces. I do not want this box anymore. It costs too much money and I cannot skip months. If I could skip months, then I would have just skipped months. I would have skipped this month. But I got two items that I like, so let's just put it like that. And also, I'm going to be trying stuff on my face with my Boxycharm and Ipsy combined at the end of this video. So if you really like that, then stay tuned. You can see some swatches. That's for my Ipsy video. So yeah. The theme this month is fantasy. Fantasy, like fantasy, or Fanta, don't you want to see? I like the card, it's really cute. I got variation 35, C21, that's 2021, 07, that's July 35, and it's base BA. So yeah, first thing is my choice item. This is the Farmacy Whipped Greens. This is their cleanser that retails for $28. And I can't wait to try this because I needed another cleanser besides my, I always buy this cleanser. I always buy ever since I was introduced to kale, green clean. It's in a glass bottle. It's in front of my face. Every time I was introduced to them, I always had their cleanser of like period. Like their cleanser is my favorite. All right, Dermelect freaking retinol serum. I do not want this. I will be selling this on Macari. Me and retinol do not go to well. I mean, I understand retinol is supposed to be good with the skin, but it breaks me out. But I am going to show you what the bottle looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. Again, it will be on my Macari. Go check it out. It's really cute. It's really red. I like it. I just never use it on my skin. This baby retails for $39, but I would be selling it for $15, so plus free shipping. So go check out my stuff. I really do sell good stuff on my Macari. The link will be down below in the description box. Go check it out. The next thing is this baby. I would have liked the lip oil, not this because I do not do red. This also I will be selling on Macari. This retails for $18.50. I will be selling this for $10 plus a free shipping. This is a lip bundle. This is a red lip bundle, but it's not a deep red lip bundle. We got this true red, like orangey red like liquid lipstick. Then you got the lip pencil, which is like a fuchsia and a bright orange, like true red. Okay. I mean, this is Beauty Vault. I usually like Beauty Vault stuff for lips, but like, no, not the colors, not the colors. So 2 items out of 5 I don't like. And the next thing is something that I already opened. This is the Grand Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. I just wanted to see how it would look, how it looks like, but blended, it's not that blinding. It's not that blinding. What? Why it looks so different on my hand than it looked on my face? I blended it out on my face and it did not look this way. Did not look this way at all. Huh. I guess, different days, but it has like a little plumping smell, menthol smell. Also, it has like a little tingle. Do not get this close to your eyes, so do not put this by like the inner corner to have a pop because it will sting. I'm not gonna hold you. I tried it. It will sting. This right here is the Grand Glow Plumping Grande. The plumping mascara, the plumping lips, Grande, they're really known for that. This is the Grand Glow again, it says from Grande Cosmetics Plumping Liquid Highlighter. This retails for $25. $25. So basically like the box. I would have never picked this, but I am down to try this some more, test it out some more, and do a review about it. So 1.5 points so far for this box. It's got a full point because I really wanted eye mask, and I get to try out eye mask. So I'm stoked. I am stoked. This is one of the products I'm stoked about. Let's just put it like that. Okay. I don't want to open this because it's like totally sealed. This is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. This retails for $49.99. So this is like $50 right here. I would give this a 1 point, and I would say that this box is totally worth it because 50. And then this right here is 28. So that's like well over what I just paid. And these products, I really would have chose this with the Beauty Bakery powder. And if this was this with the lip oil, I would have been happy. I would have been okay. But okay, because I don't put highlighters in my, it's not in my preference. On Boxycharm, I say no highlighters. So when I see a highlighter, I'm like, oh, you don't listen, huh? You don't want to listen to me. That's what I'd be like, you guys don't listen to me. Because, like, I said, no highlighter. Then what happened? You give me highlighter. Like, what is going on? So I'm like blending it out. I'm not trying to flip you off. I'm blending it out, and it gives me like a subtle glow. Nah, my nose is about to be on tinfoil though. I think I put too much on my nose and on my lips. But this part is like subtle glow. Oh my gosh. I like put too much. Yeah, I was trying. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh, there we go. I don't really do liquid highlighters. But me not doing liquid highlighters, I like how it came out. I like how it came out. I like how it came out. Like, I can see the glow. I can see the glow. It's like subtle, but it's there, and I like it. You can see it too. Like, I like it. I like it. And I feel the plumping around my lips. Like, I feel plumping. I feel the tingling. I feel the tingling. Like, I don't know why they did plumping liquid highlighter, but that's their brand. Their brand is like all plumping stuff. So I understand it, I guess. That's the only thing that I could try out in my Boxycharm, but I am going to try something out in my MC. I think it's the eyeshadow I want to try. And the gloss. I'm going to try the eyeliner a different day. But yeah. Just do like a little quick makeup look. Put my big brush, Grande Cosmetics fluffy blending brush, and that brown shade. What's that shade called? This is the Chili Aztec Eyes Con something. I think it's called chocolate. Yep, chocolate. That I'm gonna be putting into my crease and into my brow bone. Oh, I kind of just want to put chocolate all over the eye and then put a wing, but I'm like, no. That could be when I just test out my Kokie eyeliner. That's when I should do that. It's like a lot of kick up in that. Like, I could tell when they have the palette, whoever has the palette, whoever gets the palette from them, that it's going to be like a whole lot of kick up. But the thing is that it's very pigmented and blendable shadows, so I'm down for it. Down for a little bit of kick up. Little kick up, a little pick me up. I am down. Okay, I'm going to take some of this and the IBY Beauty, this Silent Disco, and I'm taking that on the outer corner. Just bringing it in. Just for like a little dimension. Like literally, I could just put on a wing and just like call it a day. But you know, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I should put this on my inner corner again. I shouldn't. I shouldn't. Because that was horrible. Okay, I'm taking the copper shade, and I'm putting it all over my eye. I'm doing it without spraying my brush to see. Oh, yes. It is pigmented and it does stay on the brush. You do not need to spray it. And I like that. You don't need to spray it. It stays on the brush. It's fire. It is a fire pigmented freaking shimmer. I am really surprised and happy with that. Like, I really am. Like, it's fire. Like, my makeup is like simple. Simple. Like, this is like really simple and basic. But I like it. Like, I like it. Simple and basic. But I like it. Like, she came through with the simple and basic. But what kills me is that glowing highlighter that I thought was nothing. I thought it was just gonna be like, oh, but it turned out to be yay. You feel me? Turned out to be yay. Whoa. Okay. I like it. What do you think? What do you guys think of my eyeshadow look? You guys like it? I like it. I like it. I like it. And it's like muted and toned down so I could go with my olive green dress. And I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this at all. I'm mad at it. Okay, so the highlighter and the Boxycharm, this in the Etsy. If you haven't seen my Etsy, I will leave the link above in the cards or at the end of the video. Go check it out. And now the gloss. I already have gloss on my lips, but I kind of just want to see how this feels like on top of it a little bit. It's like a little sticky. It's also supposed to be a face gloss, but I already have a highlight on, and especially liquid highlight. And I'm just gonna keep this as, I don't really like to double do, like what's on my lips is supposed to be on my cheek. I don't like to do that. So even though this is like a squeezy product and it won't be like really, really messy, still don't like to do that. So I'm just gonna keep this on my lips. And I like it. I like it. My makeup is simple and just like, that's it. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you liked my Boxycharm unboxing. Like, wow. We got this Gen Skin eye patches, which I am excited about. This highlighter, which is not exciting. Like, I was not that exciting about it, but after using it a second time, like, I can actually use this. Oh, and I got it in the shade Bronze Beam, because there were 3 shades that you could get. Kind of wanted the rose gold one, but you know, you can't pick the shades. It's not a choice item. Then, oh, this is Ipsy. Then I got the retinol, which I'm going to be putting on Macari, the Beauty Vault, again, Macari, and the whipped creams that I can't wait to try out. That's 28, 50, and 25. Ooh, 100. 103. That's 103. $103. And I only paid $27. So I did get my value, but I didn't get over 125, but I did get a value. So because of that, I believe that this box was worth it. Again, would have loved the Beauty Bakery powder. They put up a translucent powder there. I love translucent powders. Say that in my quiz, so I would have loved a translucent powder. But that's just me being nitpicky because I knew it was gonna go in the box. Like, I knew the variations. They should never told me the variation that the Beauty Bakery powder was gonna be in there, because then I would have been like, yeah, gotta be in this box. But yeah, so the whole total will be down below in the description box. This is the total that I like. This is the total of my stuff that I'm going to be keeping. This stuff I'm not going to be keeping. Again, and Macari down below. Go check it out. And that's it for this video. Have a great day. Have a great night whenever you're watching this. And that's my Boxycharm, y'all. That's my Boxycharm, y'all. Video right here, head right here. Go check it out.